All right, so we're waiting for the news. We have our pending orders in check. So we have our pending orders in check. So let's see what CPI is going to say today while we have our pending orders in check. So now we are just waiting. I think this GBP USD because of spread, but we are just waiting. Let's see what the news is going to look like. CPI is a major news event, so let's see how. Okay, oh boy, yes, 2000 is almost going close. It's almost going close. All right. So we are still waiting for the news to be released. US 100 stands still. GBP USD is going close. Euro USD is going close. Will the news be bullish for dollar or will it be bearish for dollar? So we are waiting. We are waiting. All right. We are waiting. We are waiting. It's almost time. Just 30 seconds left. Euro USD is close because of spread. Euro USD is close. 20 seconds. 17, 16. It's almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. And okay. So let's see what's going to happen. All right. I've closed profit. I've closed profit. Okay. I've closed profit. Gold. Just remaining gold. Gold. Almost there. I've taken profit here. Man, how much did I make? My history for today. Wow. $288.96. All right. I think this is not bad. Okay. Yes. Now, you want to make profit, you can chat me up, follow me up on my YouTube channel, on every of my social media handles, and you'll be good. Thank you. I've been. All right, so Euro USD was bullish. GBP USD bullish. Wow, you can see the massive move. I've taken profit already. USD JPY bearish. We've taken profit. Gold bullish. That's taking profit also. US 100 bullish, taking profit. US 2000 very, very bullish. All right. So thank you all. If you want to know how to make money with pending orders, you can, follow my YouTube channel, and also you can chat me up in order to put you through on how to set pending orders before fundamental. All right. You guys should have a very lovely trading week. FOMC is coming out later this evening, so don't miss it.